Welcome to 5431 Gavella Cove in Palmetto, Florida. This David Weekly home in the gated community of Trevesta is going to make you so happy. Right in back, it has conservation land, so you're never going to have neighbors in back, all for that extra privacy. You're going to love this home. Come on in. This gracious and spacious open floor plan home has a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and then you're gonna love the main bedroom, which is very large with its own ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet. You also have a secondary ensuite bedroom and bathroom, and then an extra 2 bedrooms on top of that. Oversized 2-car garage, you have a laundry room, and then you get to the amenities. You have a community pool, clubhouse, fitness center. You're right around the corner from 3 different golfing courses, tennis courts, and easy shopping. You are gonna love everything about this home and the location, so make sure you schedule a showing today.